Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening Microsoft Word with a Microsoft 365 subscription on Windows 10 or 11. Click the Home tab and locate the Dictate button near the right side. Before you speak, grant microphone permission in Windows settings under Privacy and set microphone gain to about 70% for clear input. Test sound in the system sound settings and select the correct microphone device. Restart Word if device selection fails. Confirm your user account is signed into Microsoft 365 to enable cloud-based speech models. Click Dictate in the Home tab and speak clearly to start transcription immediately. Use short phrases and speak punctuation aloud. For example, say period or comma to insert punctuation. Try voice commands such as new line, new paragraph, or delete that phrase to control formatting. Turn on auto-punctuation in dictation settings to reduce manual corrections. Use the microphone icon drop-down to enable advanced voice commands and language selection. Keep sentences brief and pause between commands to avoid misrecognition by the speech engine. After dictation, edit using voice or keyboard to correct misrecognized words and punctuation. Select problematic text and say bold that selection or replace with correct words using voice commands. If recognition accuracy drops, check your internet connection and close bandwidth-heavy apps that interfere. Try switching to a different microphone or set microphone position 3 to 6 inches from your mouth. Update Microsoft Office to the latest build and ensure Windows speech language matches your spoken language. Finally, minimize
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.